Now we're in the bus and it's pretty loud. So I think 1 hour ride from here. So I don't know if you can hear me. Finally, the bus is moving now. So yeah, it's a long way.
दिल्ली को खा लिया मेरा दिल्ली को खा लिया मुझे
Oh.
$2,000 years later.
Got entry and now we are going on. Got our VIP pass because we're the members. This is like our team. So yeah. Training ground. Okay.
भाई आवाज दिए ना देखो आवाज दिए ना देखो देखो दुनिया में
Thank you.
Let me just follow on that.
Both these teams also to bring to the table desperation to get those 3 points. Usually that if they win this, they go up to 14 on top of the table. But for AZWIL, there's the chance of catching up with them, getting into that spot.
बोलो बोलो निकल गया क्या
Doesn't get that curl back in, and it was always going away, but good bit of goalkeeping as well.
It was part of that attacking melee in front of the box. Romario!
But that's a copy from a movie, you know.
Ball which apparently came back from the post right in the dying stages.
And Sirineedh finally opens his account. Talk about being remarkable, this Colombian. He knows how to define it in the boldest of letters. Sirineedh leads in this crucial encounter.
That's a fabulous finish, but what a pass as well. Some questions will be asked yet again of the AZWIL defense. Where was the marking? Where was the closing down? This has happened far too often for AZWIL right through the season. It was an accurate ball as well, delivered all the way from Mahadik Bhatt. And then this match.
In that English proverb that's been dominating the world for a while now, all's well that ends well. Would have been. We need a better delivery though.
Flatter! And that's the equalizer! It's come off a Sirineedh flair, but it's come nonetheless. Constant pressure, and eventually, it's Eric who's made the difference if he has any touch to it.
Yeah, it was actually Lalrin Puya, the left back, who's taken that corner or that free kick, and he's just floated it in. It's come off the first player inside the ball. Just a flick on from Jagdeep, and it's unfortunate, but that's how the cookie crumbles sometimes. He was able to do it just outside the box. Yeah, quite a shove.
You're the baddie.
So the match.
क्लैश करके बेचते हम ना देखो आपके घर में से जा रहे हो
So I'm probably gonna go and sleep, obviously. Alright, so heading back now. It's a really long day. So, yeah.